You have multiple Google account, right? But you don't know how to remove it. So don't worry, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a Google account from your phone easily. And this is remove. This is not delete. Delete and remove is different. If you delete your Google account, that time you couldn't use it later. But if you remove your Google account, that time you can use it in another phone or in multiple phone. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a Google account from your phone easily. So let's start the process. So for removing your Google account, you will need to go to your phone settings option. So let me go mine. There is my phone settings. So let me click on it. Then scroll down and you need to find out one settings which is account and sync. Okay, so you can see in there accounts and backup in this Samsung phone, but in any other phone you will find out another thing which is account and sync. Okay, both are same, and if you don't find it, just click here and write account, and you can see manage account or account or sync, you will find it. Okay, so I need to click here accounts and backup, then click here manage accounts. Then you can see lots of Google account I have got in there. So let me remove this one. So let me click first, and after that click here remove account. And if I click here remove, that time this account will be removed from my phone, but I can use it in any other phone, this account. Okay, so that's it guys. So by this easiest process, you can remove a Google account from your phone easily. So thank you so much for watching this video.